Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Australian MP Craig Kelly seeks UP CM Yogi Adityanath help in tackling COVID. Lauding Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for COVID-19 management in the state, Australian MP Craig Kelly has asked if the Chief Minister could help with this country in tackling the pandemic as well. Kelly tweeted the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh any chance they could loan as their Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath release the ivermectin sort out the mess our hopelessly incompetent state premiers have created. In another tweet, he said, "Well done to Indian state of UP and its Chief Minister Mio Adityanath for their effective management in my crushing the way. Brilliant that UP introduced ivermectin as preventive measure for health workers present and people exposed to infect people." Last month, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also praised an initiative of the Uttar Pradesh government to offer helpline facility to extend healthcare and legal aids among other services to senior citizens. BCF fires at drone spotted near international border in Jammu. A drone was spotted near the international border in Jammu's Armia sector late at night on Tuesday. BCF personnel fired at the drone when it was spotted. After BCF personnel opened the fire, the drone vanished. The operators of the drone pulled it back towards the Pakistani side. BCF in a statement said on the intervening night of July 13 and July 14, a blinking red light was observed by our troops in the Armia sector at about 9:52 pm. At a distance of 200 meters on own side, Allied troops fired from their position towards the red blinking light due to which it returned. The area is being searched, nothing has been found so far. In what was the first instance of Pakistan-based terrorists deploying drones to strike vital installations to bomb were dropped at the IAF station Jammu in the early hours of June 27, causing minor injuries to two personnel. The explosion took place at around 1:40 am within the 6 minutes of each other. District authorities in Samba, Ramban and Baramulla in Jammu and Kashmir have banned the storage, sale or possession of drones and other unnamed aerial vehicles. Authorities in Srinagar and border districts of Rajouri and Kathua have already imposed such a ban after the recent terror attack at an IAF station in Jammu with armed drones. According to the order, the move will help to avoid any confusion in the current situation to secure aerial spaces near vital installations and highly populated areas. Any drone operating in the district needs to be registered. The owner of the drone and operator thereof shall be liable for all damages incurred to personal property due to mishandling or manufacturing of drone or otherwise the order stated. Top the list with 24 nods. The nomination for the 73rd Primetime Emmy Awards were unveiled by the Television's Academy on Tuesday in a virtual ceremony. It was hosted by actor Ron Cephas-Jones and his daughter Jasmine Cephas-Jones. This year, The Crown, which streams on Netflix, topped the list with as many as 24 nominations in different categories. It shared the top spot with Disney's The Mandalorian, which also got 24 nominations. Meanwhile, another series of Disney Plus, the Marvel spin-off WandaVision, followed at close heels with 23 nominations. With 20 nominations, Apple TV Plus comedy show Ted Lasso followed next. Reggie G and Paige Bridgeter, Sterling K. Brown, This Is US, Billy Potter Post, Jonathan Mazur's Lovecraft Country, Matthew Reed's Perry Barson, Josh O'Connor, The Ground. Outstanding Lead Actor in Drama Series. Outstanding Lead Actress in Drama Series, Emma Corrin, The Crown, Olivia Colman, The Crown, Uzo Aduba in Treatment, Elizabeth Moss, The Handmaid's Tale, Jordan's Mortal Lovecraft Country, MC Rodriguez Pose. Outstanding comedy series Blackish, Cobra Kai, Pin 15, Emily in Paris, Hack, State Lasso, The Flight Attendant, Community Method. Outstanding drama series The Boys, Bridgerton, The Crown, Mandalorian, Lovecraft Country, Pose, The Handmaid's Tale, This Is US. Outstanding supporting actor in a drama series Michael K. Williams, Lovecraft Country, Bradley Whitford, The Handmaid's Tale, Max Minghella, The Handmaid's Tale, The O.T. Fangle, The Handmaid's Tale, John Lithgow, Perry Mason, Tobias Menzies, The Crown, Giancarlo Esposito, The Mandalorian, Chris William, This Is US. There are lots of lead actors in the committee, outstanding and supporting actor in the committee actors. The Emmy Awards is scheduled for September this year. Lifting Hope, Psycho Mirai by Chanu. On April 17, Indian stars weightlifter Psycho Mirabai Chanu was on the verge of a most unpleasant moment of debut. At the Asian Championship in Tashkent, the diminutive lifter from Manipur failed to nail a lift in the first 2 of 3 attempts in the snatch. A third no lift would have ended Chanu's medal hopes, a repeat of the horror show 5 years ago at the Rio Olympics, where she crashed out after failing to lift the weight in any of her 3 attempts in the clean and jerk category.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.